I fly in an airplane after I've had breast implants, either saline or gel, yes, you absolutely can fly in an airplane and there is zero effect. There at one time or another was some absurd article that if you go up after particularly saline implants, your implants expanded and could even blow up. This is absolute nonsense. You can, if you wish, fly the next day after breast implants, and in fact, many of our patients that are from outlying areas or overseas fly back to their home after 3 or 4 days. You can definitely jump in an airplane the day after your breast implants